Mago hala riwruok mar Kenya Union of Savings and Credit Cooperatives KUSCO osechako chenro mar duoko omenda ne riwruoge mag saga mosebedo ka bandhogi. Omenda maromo siling $284.2 chakre higa mokalo 2024 kaachiel kod higane. Kane oloso Mombasa, romo nokelo kanyakla tend riwruoge mag saga e pachoka. Jatend migawo mar riwruoge saga Wycliffe Oparanya kaachiel kod jakom KUSCO David Matagwa koni gise loso report moyiedhi kendo gichano chako chulo omenda go ne wegi. Oparanya koni reportno matemo kelo lokruok e riwruoge saga mane ni omenda itiyogo kaka owinjore ibiro keti e tim e thuolo mar higni 5.
We must strengthen oversight institutions like SASRA. SASRA provides an oversight supervisory role within the financial sector. Secondly, we must protect members against their savings being eroded. And that's why we are coming up with the Post Protection Fund. We are also coming up with stabilization fund, savings stabilization fund.
We are doing the recovery. Where people have defaulted, we have gone all the process of making sure that we recover the properties now and send them to auction. So we have started auctioning properties, and the money that we receive, we have started returning to the SACCOs.
We have people of integrity leading our SACCOs, and not just integrity, people who have an understanding of how things should be done. And therefore, I think there's a shift that